Markets have been going up lately. This is partly because of some good news. The US and China on May the 12th announced a truce. They will cut tariffs on each other to 30% and 10% respectively. One Chinese man told the BBC, this was like hearing that your parents were getting a divorce and then realizing that they will stay connected after all. So is the worst over? In short, for the economy, no. For the stock market, no one knows. So let's start with the stock market. If we want to stop paying investing tuition fees through losses, we need to come to accept that stock market movements in the short term are random and cannot be forecasted. There are many factors that affect stock markets. Policies, politics, the economy, valuations, sentiment. And whether they go up or down in any single day or any single week or month depends on what the majority of the millions of people controlling the most amount of money thinks, and this cannot be forecasted. Instead of reacting to every move, let's focus on yourself. Check your risk appetite and your risk profile. Make sure you have short-term cash, especially in this environment, if you have income security issues or if you're a retiree. Invest in a diversified manner rather than taking bets on individual sectors, companies, or countries. And dollar cost average. Don't try to time it. Don't try to all in or all at one go, but drip in slowly. Dollar cost average up and dollar cost average down for the long run. As for the economy, the signs are more worrying. The US government bond markets are still signaling inflation risks. The Fed has warned of supply shocks. Walmart CFO has just come out to warn that 30% will still mean double-digit increases on the prices of some goods. Now, Walmart is the biggest retailer to the US consumer, so they won't be alone in raising prices. And the US consumer is the biggest part, 70% of the US economy. The US economy is still the largest economy in the world. And Singapore, among countries, is one of the most exposed to global trade. So if I return to the earlier analogy, perhaps there's no sudden divorce, but the US has definitely served papers on having different relationships with the rest of the world. So we need to adjust. The Singapore government's task force men and women will definitely chart the way forward. But we need to, each of us, help ourselves and help our families. We should tighten our belts, spend less, protect our incomes, and avoid large lifestyle debts. So stay grounded and stay prepared.